Thank you for joining me today for the added sugars tutorial. If your formula contains sugar, because of the way the labeling regulations work, you have to declare that on your label, along with what portion of that total sugar amount is added sugar. Now the program will automatically display this on your label if the nutrient information for the ingredients in your formula has been entered correctly. What this means essentially is that you have to tell the program that the sugar ingredient that you are creating is 100% an added sugar. For this example, I'm creating an ingredient called sucrose that is 100% sugar. This contrasts with, for example, an apple, which has naturally occurring sucrose in it. So what I do now is I click new ingredient and type in the name, sucrose, and I search for and add the component of sucrose, which we already have pre-populated here. So I'm going to enter 100% active. But I also want to tell the program that this is an added sugar, that the whole ingredient is an added sugar. So I'm going to search for and add the component called added sugar. And I will add it as 100% active. Okay, so save this, close it out. So now I'm going to show you what happens when I add that sucrose to a formula. So I'm going to go to new, select formula. I'm just going to call it test. And then I'm going to go add our sucrose. And I'm going to enter 5 grams. Active, press enter. So we've got the sucrose in here. Now if I click label, we see that 5 grams of carbohydrates has been added, which is our total sugars. And because we already equated the added sugar with the total sugar in the ingredient, then the label shows us that the total sugars includes 5 grams of added sugars. And that's it. That's how easy it is to display added sugars on your supplement facts label. Thank you.